Here is 3 fraction. First one, 1 divided 2a minus 3, then minus 2 divided 3 minus 2a plus 18 divide 9 minus 4a square. Look, here is 2a minus 3, here is 3 minus 2a, and here is 9 minus 4a square. Our target to make single denominator. Divide 2a minus 3 minus 2. Here we can common minus, so we can write 2a minus 3. Look, here 2a minus 3 and 2a minus 3 looking similar. Same thing, plus 18 divide, here we also take common minus, so it will become 4a square minus 9, right? Now look, 1 divide 2a minus 3, this minus and this minus will become plus, 2 divide 2a minus 3, and this minus will become here, so plus and minus will become minus 18. Here is 4a square minus 9, this one 2a square minus 3 square, it's looking a square minus b square, so we can write 2a plus 3 times 2a minus 3. Okay, now look, we can make LCM. So our LCM is 2a plus 3 times 2a minus 3. So here is 2a minus 3, so we can write 2a plus 3, then plus here is 2 times, here is 2a minus 3, so it will be multiplied by 2a plus 3 minus 18. Okay, now look, 2a plus 3, 2a minus 3. Here is 2a plus 3 plus 2 times 2, it means 4a, then plus 6 minus 18. 2a plus 4a, it means 6a, and here is 3 plus 6 means 9, minus 18, it will become minus 9. And here is 2a plus 3 times 2a minus 3. We can write here, so here we can take common 3, so 2a minus 3, and divide 2a plus 3 times 2a minus 3. So this 2a minus 3 and this 2a minus 3 will out, so our answer is 3 divide 2a plus 3. Now look, it's become a single denominator fraction. So hope you understand this video. It's a very simple math, but these kinds of math very important for examination. If you have any question, please put in your comments at comments box, and my request, don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.